We have made it to Ocala, Florida. We drove down from Atlanta last night. We stayed central Ocala. Right now, first day, we're at Silver Springs State Park. We got Matt and Miranda behind us, Lindsay up front, on the way to see some monkeys. Currently, we're running from a storm. It's been a little sketchy. Lindsay's a little terrified. Matt and Miranda figuring out the tandems. I'm just having a good time. We'll see. We're prepared for something. We got some tarps and rain jackets.
Tell everybody good night. You say good night, Zeus? Good night, Zeus.
Oh guys, that was day one. We've woken up this morning. Had a lot of rain coming in. Sleeping for a little while through it. Lindsay is cooking us bacon. We just fed Zeus. Waiting on Matt and Miranda to get up. About to start day two.